Hello, my name is Logan Anderson. I am a member of Group 2, and this is our use case 4. So we were instructed to choose one of our questions and form a statement out of it and use a fishbone diagram to get to the cause of our issues. So our main problem was that Tesla currently has a negative impact on the planet. So we say, why? And we answer that it's the process of producing batteries. So then we ask why to that, and we see that it's actually the extraction process. And so finally we ask why the extraction process, and we find that harsh chemicals are used and harmful byproducts are actually produced when we extract these elements. We also say that fossil fuels are sometimes used to provide power to the charging stations. So we ask why to that, and there is not currently enough clean energy infrastructure. So when we ask why to that, we see that Tesla has not succeeded in full implementation of their clean energy infrastructure as of now. Furthermore, we say that Tesla can't recycle their batteries indefinitely. We ask why to that, and eventually they wear out and have to be scrapped for materials. Why? The technology is not yet invented to recycle batteries for continued use indefinitely. Eventually, you have to just break them down for their materials. We also ask why and find that people want to purchase new cars instead of replacing the battery in their electric vehicles. We ask why to that, and that is due to the high cost of replacing the battery. We ask why to that, and the manufacturing process for automotive batteries is quite expensive, therefore it is quite costly to produce them, so it is costly to replace them. We also ask why and see that a lack of development of each battery prevents its reuse. We ask why, and we say it's a lack of research makes the process of obtaining resources damaging. We ask why to that and find that research and development is not invested in maintaining a sustainable life cycle. And then we ask why and find that more companies joining the clean energy revolution can improve infrastructure and make goals more achievable. We ask why to that and say that a mindset of upcycling and recycling needs to be weaved into societal culture. Then we ask why and find that clean energy needs to be accepted by a larger population to realize the benefits. Then we were instructed to find independent variables for our prescriptive and predictive cases. For prescriptive, our independent variables are the charging stations, the electric batteries, the assembly line for the batteries, and the assembly of charging stations. For our predictive cases, they are the materials comprising batteries, the design of the batteries, Tesla's production capabilities, and the mining process. Our dependent variables for prescriptive are the consumer opinion, the cost of assembly, the competitors' efforts at sustainability, and the number of charging stations. The dependent variables for our predictive cases are the cost of extraction, the outcome of research on methods for extraction, the environmental impact of battery development, and the environmental impact of discarding old batteries. Then we were to look at our previous models and decide whether we were going to continue to use them or discard them with the influx of new information and data we have gained. And the model we are looking at is identifying the ideal location for charging stations. In identifying the ideal location for charging stations, Tesla is creating a more data-driven approach to clean energy infrastructure. In placing these ideal locations, we can better serve demographics already embracing the environmental impact of EVs. So we feel that we should keep this model as it could be quite beneficial. Thank you.